First I'm starting with primer. This just smooths the skin and helps your makeup long lasting. Sabrina's skin looks so fresh and juicy, so I'm using a hydrating primer for that same base. Next I'm using a medium coverage foundation, nothing heavy, just enough to even out my skin. Blend it with the damp sponge so it looks super natural and skin like. Now concealer just a bit under the eye to brighten up. And on any redness or spots, Sabrina look was flawless but still soft, so we are keeping it light and blended. I'm setting everything with a compact powder, mainly under the eye and T-zone where it get oily. Sabrina look wasn't matte but it was clean, so we are keeping that a fresh finish. And now I'm contouring my nose for the defined look. Now time for the dreamy eye. First I'm taking a base shade and applying over my eyes. I'm taking a soft brown in the crease to add the depth. And using a soft shimmer all over the lids. Super simple but it's give that a sparkle effect. Now adding a mascara. Her lashes was long and fluttery, so I am doing 2 light coat to get that open eye look. For blush, I am going with a pink peach shade and applying it on my cheeks. Her cheeks had that soft full-edged glow. Finishing off with a soft nude pink lipstick and a touch of gloss.